And that heat advisory, due to the combination of temperatures and the 90s plus high humidity, it's dangerous because it can be more difficult to cool down. Along with the heat, it's possible we could see some showers for. Meteorologist Alexandra Cranford joins us with a closer look at what to expect. Hey, Alexandra.
Hi, Leslie. Yes, we've got both things going as we often do during the summer. We have the heat, and then we also have the chance for some storms, especially later on this afternoon and evening. Here's your heat advisory area in the orange. It starts pretty much right now through 8 p.m. and that's for a feels like temperature that could get close to 105, maybe even near 108 potentially later on this afternoon. Right now we're already almost at 100, or we are at 100 for the feels like, and our air temperature is at 88. So that is a big difference, a 12-degree difference when you use that formula that we use for the heat index to calculate that temperature that it feels like when we are so humid. Here are those temperatures, and here are the feels like. So already Belle Chase at 101, very close to 100 at Slidell, and Galliano feeling like upper 90s as well. And then we have the severe risk also. It's a low-end risk. It includes New Orleans and all of our North Shore and Mississippi areas. So we might see a couple of storms later on with a few high wind gusts. And in fact, our models have been going a little bit more coverage for the rain for later on. So this is, for example, 3 p.m., couple of spotty showers and storms. 6 and 7 might have a little bit of rain around. And this model does want to bring in some rain even by about 9 and 10 p.m. before moving it out by about 11. And you saw those temperatures topping out near 93, again, feeling about 10 or so degrees higher than that. Later on this evening, we'll be back in the lower 80s and eventually into the 70s for tonight. I'll have the rest of your forecast in a few minutes.